Hey guys, I just wanted to post a video right now because it's storming so bad right now and my game isn't working. So I won't be posting videos anytime soon because it won't connect to the internet. And I'm super bored. So I just wanted to show you how bad it's raining right now. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at my rain gutter. Look at that. That's horrible. I should probably go, like, see how cold this is outside. My leaf! Hey, girly. She was eating my potato salad by accident. Look at outside. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. I don't need to water the flowers today. Oh my god, it's freezing. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that because it's